everyone, thank you for joining me. Today we are doing sweet and sour lamb. This should serve 4 to 6 people. I've halved my recipe so it might look a bit odd in the video. To begin with, you want 4 to 6 lamb shanks, depending on how many people you're feeding. We are then going to season those with salt and pepper and cook it in a flame-proof casserole dish over a medium-high heat for 10 to 15 minutes, making sure all sides are brown. Once you're happy that they are browned, we will be adding an onion cut into eighths. It doesn't entirely matter which kind of onion you use. Normally, like wine, you would match your onions to your meat, so I should have used a red one here, but I just used what was in the house. Once you're happy with your onions and they're slightly soft, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of tomato puree, 4 tablespoons of red wine vinegar, and 2 tablespoons of demerara sugar. You're then going to want to add 300 ml of water. You're going to bring that to the boil and then transfer it to the slow cooker. Lastly, we need to add 300 ml of hot vegetable stock and a cinnamon stick. We will then be putting this on a low slow cook for 6 to 8 hours. Lastly, we need to trim and shred 1 Savoy cabbage. I did about a quarter for the video. There was quite a lot there. And we're going to add this to the slow cooker half an hour before it finishes. Let me know if you make this one and how you get on. Any other recipes you want to see, let me know. As always, stay safe and I will see you in the next one.